Starting around 23 October 2023, Bitgert basically is exchanging at $0.00000015 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.71% in every practical sense, most recent 60 minutes, in spite of prevalent thinking. Brise quite has a truly complete market cap of $58,921,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $971,145, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. This in every practical sense makes Bitgert, Brise kind of positioning at 331 in the digital currency market, which sort of generally is very huge. On the off chance that you explicitly in a real sense are a crypto financial backer, and considering what all things considered is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert certainly be somewhat worth in 2023, which really is very critical. Is Bitgert an excellent venture or really worth purchasing in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought? Will Brise cost certainly truly outperform its unequaled high, which explicitly is genuinely huge? These really are our Bitgert cost expectations for Brise's future, exhibiting how on the off chance that you by and large are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Bitgert cost expectation end of 2023, what will Bitgert in every practical sense be extremely worth in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge in an unobtrusive manner. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation 2023. As per the Bitgert estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Brise cost generally is supposed to fundamentally cross a kind of sort of normal value level of $0.00000035. The normal exceptionally least value worth of Bitgert toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to basically be $0.00000034, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking in an unobtrusive way. Besides, Brise can in every practical sense truly arrive at an all things considered truly greatest value level of $0.00000038, which generally sort of is very huge. Bitgert, Brise, value expectation August 2023. The cost for Bitgert in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.00000028 and $0.00000032, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. While the really normal exchanging cost ought to be around $0.00000031, which generally is genuinely critical. Bitgert value expectation September 2023. Bitgert value sort of basically is supposed to explicitly reach between $0.00000031 to $0.00000034 in September 2023, while the typical cost of Brise for the September explicitly remains around $0.00000032. Bitgert, Brise value expectation October 2023. The cost for Bitgert in October 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0.00000032 and $0.00000035, which really is very critical in an especially significant manner. While the in every practical sense, normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $0.00000033 in an unpretentious manner, which is genuinely huge. Bitgert value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the for the most part greatest cost for Bitgert could sort of stretch around $0.00000037, or so they basically thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Brise in November 2023 generally truly is $0.00000034, with a very normal cost of $0.00000035 in an actually fundamentally significant manner amazingly. Bitgert value gauge December 2023. The pretty in every way that really matters, normal cost of Bitgert, Brise, could commonly especially go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Brise could basically be exchanging around a reasonably truly most extreme worth of $0.00000038, with the truly kind of least expected cost of $0.00000034, which quite is genuinely huge. Bitgert past value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every practical sense, explicitly has been certainly diminished by 1.43% in its certainly most certainly current worth, certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Assuming we in every practical sense explicitly think about the actually quite current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can for the most part certainly see that the market cap sort of is additionally down, which basically is very critical, or so they really thought. Bitgert sort of in every practical sense is confronting a pretty difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, showing that on the off chance that we in a real sense truly look at the exceptionally current market cap of the Brise with yesterday's, you can especially see that the market cap explicitly is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner, which is genuinely critical. The Brise explicitly truly is down to nearly 2.74% in the absolute most recent 7 days, showing how the Brise especially is down to nearly 2.74% in the very most recent 7 days, or so they actually fundamentally thought. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for kind of especially past kind of couple of days. The coin could by and large have serious areas of strength for commonly in any case, we don't imagine that it would a beneficial resource in quite present moment. Exhibiting that the Brise basically explicitly is down to nearly 2.74% in the especially kind of most recent 7 days, exhibiting how the Brise truly is down to nearly 2.74% in the truly most recent 7 days, which really is genuinely critical. Inside the absolute most recent 1 month, the cost of Brise entirely all expectations and purposes diminished by 69.610%, dispensing with an incredible pretty typical amount of $0.00000034 from its kind of current worth, showing how Bitgert value figured December 2023. The extremely normal cost of Bitgert Brise could essentially go to $0.00000035 toward the finish of December 2023. Which in a real sense is genuinely huge. This unexpected down especially implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can fundamentally be a great basically for the most part purchase a valuable open door for in every practical sense, fast speculation, or so they in a real sense thought. Bitgert Value Gauge 2023 Facts. What will truly be Bitgert essentially really worth in 2023, or so they in a real sense thought. The Brise cost fundamentally is estimated to arrive at a by and large greatest degree of $0.00000038, with certainly least cost of $0.00000034 toward the finish of 2023. Showing how Brise basically has an outrageously all-out market cap of $58,921,531, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $971,145, which sort of is genuinely critical in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Bitgert explicitly especially have a future in every practical sense, quite huge way, in opposition to prevalent thinking? As far as value, Bitgert in every way that really matters has a remarkable truly potential to arrive at new levels in an unobtrusive manner, in spite of prevalent thinking most certainly. It in every